Working on a public holiday in Jamaica? Let's break down exactly what the law says you must be paid. This is Work Smart Jamaica, where workers learn their rights in plain English. Let's get started. In Jamaica, if you work on a public holiday, you should be paid double time or get an alternative day off with pay. No excuses. The official public holidays in Jamaica are New Year's Day, Ash Wednesday, Good Friday, Easter Monday, Labor Day, Emancipation Day, Independence Day, National Heroes Day, Christmas Day, and Boxing Day. These 10 holidays are all protected by law. Whether you work or rest, your pay is protected. If you don't work on a public holiday, you still get paid your regular day's pay, as long as it's normally one of your work days. Let's say you earn $10,000 a day. If you work on Christmas Day or Labor Day, you should get $20,000 or a paid day off later. That's the law. Some bosses try to treat holidays like regular days, or say we already pay you enough. But the law is clear. Public holidays must be treated separately. Here's the recap. Work on a public holiday, you get double pay or paid day off. If you don't work, you still get paid if it's your regular work day. All 10 public holidays are protected under Jamaican law. If you've ever worked on a public holiday and didn't get double pay, this video just paid you back in knowledge. Hit like, share with a coworker, and subscribe to Work Smart Jamaica for more simple labor law breakdowns. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.